guys, I'm finally here alone in the house. Because my roommates are out. So I decided to do something. I hope nobody comes by the house while I'm making this. Oh. Hold on. I can't get very many sneezes going. So I apologize. My God. Most of the time I have to keep on quiet, but this time that didn't go. Hold on. Hold on. Let me get a new tissue. My nose is gonna be so raw. It's gonna be so awesome. I'm just kidding. The sneezes are scaring the cat. Darn it. My nose is running so bad. I've been having allergies and I don't know. Just my nose, no sneezes. Hold on. I need to switch nostrils. I've been inducing with the right one. Yeah, here you go. Left nostril's a badass. No. Hold on. I don't want you guys to have to listen through all of this without one last sneeze. I can never get the right angle. I just end up crying. Oh, man.